it's clear to see.
Hey there, if it's your first time seeing my face, welcome. I'd really love it if you consider subscribing to my channel and joining this growing family. And if you've already subscribed and you know my face, welcome back. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing another sneaker unboxing. Compose myself. I'm going to be doing another sneaker unboxing, guys. I've been wanting this shoe. I remember I was on the Nike store at the beginning of lockdown. I saw this shoe and I was like, wow, this shoe is so nice. This shoe is so nice, and actually I would look good in it, you know. And then it was releasing 2 weeks later. I'd always go and check. I'm like, yo, no, this shoe's really nice. Okay, sure. I even posted it on my Instagram, which, by the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please go follow me. I am king_flow. Yes, I posted it on my Instagram, like, yo, this shoe is nice. Yo, I'm feeling. Yo, the day comes. And you know what, I don't even know. I got so excited about it, but I didn't really have the intention of buying it, you know. So I went there on the day that it launched on the Nike store. I was sold out a few hours later. This was a few hours later that the shoe launched and it was sold out. I was like, damn, actually getting these shoes is a job, hey? It's a job, and it's something that, you know what, you must actually plan well ahead of time, which is actually what you should do with most big purchases, because wow, this shoe is not cheap. She is not cheap. We move. So anyways, I don't know, for some reason I went to Shesha. I was looking for Jordans, right? I went to Shesha because Archive, they were sold out. And I remember a friend of mine telling me, like, Shesha also sells Jordans. I got there, they're like, yo, if you're looking for that style of shoe, those shoes sell out on the same day. They're so popular to a point that we get a line, like a long queue outside. So unfortunately we don't have that. The best thing you can do is actually follow us. She said follow us on Instagram, so that whenever we have a drop, you can actually know about it. So I'm like, oh, okay, no problem. I'm checking, and then this shoe pops up again. I'm like, I show my brother. I'm like, so what do you think? He's like, get it. I'm like, are you sure? It's like, get it. Mara, my brother was wrong, you know. I thought he would say, you know what, let me send you the money so you can get it. But anyways, it's like, no, Shem, cop. Your phone is ringing. As I was saying, this shoe pops up again on the website, your Archive. I'm like, here's that shoe, man. Here's the shoe that I want. And my brother's like, no, get it, you know. So I don't know why I went on this, whatever that word is, of reading about how to get like exclusive drops. And like I was starting to get really paranoid. I'm like, okay, you know what? I don't want to get excited about buying this shoe and end up not getting it, you know. So it dropped on the 22nd of June. Yes, it dropped on the 22nd of June. I remember the 21st, I was reading the blog post, their Archive, and they're talking about how to cop an exclusive shoe. And one of them was saying you need to basically sort of camp on the website. You must be quick to go to check out. The fastest bank wins. I'm like, yeah, I hope my bank is fast, because wow. And then there was this there's this point where it was like, just because your purchase was successful doesn't mean you're gonna get this shoe. I'm like, yo, well, but what do you mean? Why is my purchase successful but I don't get the shoe, you know? The shoes are gonna go live at 9 o'clock. I set an alarm for 8:30. Sharp, 8:30, my alarm rings, I wake up, and I'm on the website. The shoe's not available. I refresh. Finally, sharp, I get it. Speed to cut, go to payment, proceed, purchase successful. I'm like, Purchase successful. How? I did not even put in my banking details. So I made another purchase. The website was slow, Shem, and they did say that the website's gonna be slow. So yeah, I made my I went back, I went through, I made sure to refresh with every step, and it actually I completed the purchase. I think a few days later on I got an email. The subject was, it's time to get excited. I was like, yo gosh, it's happening. Yeah guys, I managed to buy this it's an exclusive drop, man. This is the box that carries Jordans, guys. I know I'm saying this is the box that carries Jordans because I've got another pair of Jordans and they didn't come in this box. But anyways, the shoe that I got is the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toe. Oh guys, I'm gonna do a better job because the last unboxing was terrible. Oh, this is the shoe that I bought, guys. This is the shoe that I bought. Oh my gosh, guys, like oh my gosh. Hello. This is the shoe that I got. I got it in size 4. Obviously. Okay, I'm saying obviously because I'm assuming you watched my first unboxing. I'm a size 4. This is the shoe that I got. The Air Jordan 1. Here it's written Air Jordan Navy Black Retro, but then actually they are the Royal Blue Toe, one of the two. Now the specs of the shoe, as you can see, it comes with 2 laces. They come in black and in blue as well, and the Jordan sticker. I don't know why they give us this, because whatever. And also care instructions on how to take care of your shoe. Yeah guys, by first touch, this shoe feels very soft. Like the leather is soft, guys. The leather is soft. This shoe, even inside, it feels soft. Yo guys, this shoe is beautiful. I don't think I'm gonna use the blue laces though. I'm gonna use the black or maybe get white laces. Yeah, this is the shoe that I got. I own an exclusive drop sneaker, guys. I'm so excited. This shoe was 2,000 rand. This shoe was 2,000 rand, guys. It was 2,000 rand, and honestly, when I see it, I'm comforted. Like, baby girl, you were worth it. I'm actually gonna name her Blue. I'm gonna name her Blue. No, Shem, Blue was worth it. If anything, Shem, like, if you love sneakers the way that I love sneakers, she was worth it. She was worth it. For me, she was worth it. Comfortable. She looks comfortable, and there's no ways that she can look and feel comfortable, and then when I actually wear, even on the inside it's so soft, guys. Wow. But anyways, yeah, this is the shoe that I got, and hopefully I can bring you guys some styling videos. I currently have 3 pairs of Jordans. Maybe in the near future, when I get my other pair, I'll do a styling video for Jordans. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna do a styling for this one as well. Hey guys, you know, since I got this shoe, I just collected it and I didn't try it on. What if it doesn't fit me? No, don't do that. But anyways, yeah guys, that is my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please be expecting more sneaker videos. I'm gonna give you guys a lookbook for this as well. I bought the shoe from Archive, but then what's that shop's name? Was it Shelf Life? Yeah, Shelf Life was also selling them. if you want exclusive drop sneakers, I would recommend that you check Shelf Life, Archive, and Cheshire. Those are the 3 shops that I know about that sells real Jordans. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. If you haven't already, please subscribe, please like this video, please comment, please comment guys, and please follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, and until the next one guys, bye.